Thank you.
Livy, just so you know, those aren't Legos.
I didn't say that they were Legos.
I was talking to Olivia. They're not even duplex. Duplo.
Is that baby?
You like your baby? It's your baby. Can you say hi?
You say Merry Christmas?
Oh,
Nice job, Liv.
close enough. We'll take it.
On the way home from church, we were kind of like, she was singing Happy Birthday because it's the only song she knows. Here you
Ooh.
go. Zebra!
Is there a monkey?
Of course, dear. Monkey!